Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this long delayed video, I'll guide you through the process of creating the demon horns I wore in my previous video. Please watch it if you haven't. Now to start, gather a few essentials: a suitable work surface, a bowl of water and a self-drying lightweight clay. Optionally, you may want to have a sculpting wooden tool and a small firm brush for the texture. Begin by cutting out a small paper circle, aiming to match the base of the horn to its size. I found mine turned out slightly larger, but that was okay. Gently push the bottom of the horn inward to ensure it sits comfortably on your forehead. When you are happy with the shape and the size, process to create the texture using the firm brush and the wooden tool. You can also use a fork or toothpick or whatever else you have for carving the vents. Repeat these steps for the second horn and don't worry if they are not perfectly identical in shape and size. Allow the horns to dry for about 24 hours and move on to coloring. Before applying the colors, smooth the surface with a nail file. Initially I used coarse sandpaper, but a softer nail file proved more effective. This also helps the soft pastels to grip to the surface. For coloring, use soft pastels in yellow ochre and raw umber. With a soft, dense brush, blend the colors and wipe off the excess dust. Finish by applying acrylic varnish to the horns and let them dry once again. I forgot to capture the completed horns on film, so here's a close-up shot. And that concludes this video tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment.